I think you have some time left after this boy. Yes.
When the Muslims come to do, go to Mecca to do pilgrimage, the entrance for Ahmadis, it is not allowed. So.
Do I know that?
Sorry?
Do I know that?
I think you do.
I think it's different in different countries. It all depends on what sort of embassy there is to Saudi Arabia in a particular country. If there are Pakistani mullahs posted in that embassy or have some influence to exert there, then their attitude is quite different. In other places, they even offer, the very ambassadors are known to have offered to Ahmadi friends, why not go to Hajj? And they would provide them all facilities and so on. So one of the Ahmadis from one country, I shouldn't name it, while he was going to Hajj, he met me and I said, how come? He said, of course the ambassador is a friend of mine and he's very fine, he's a fine man, he knows I'm an Ahmadi. So he encouraged me. So I said, why not? He didn't have me fill any forms obnoxious to my faith, so I accepted it. So that is a story told to me by him. Even from other countries, from India, from many other countries I know, people always go and are still going. So this is not a generalized policy of the Saudi Arabians themselves. It is a policy imposed upon them partly by some masters and partly by the Pakistani mullah. By their own, they are not like this, they are not narrow-minded people. The present ruler, Fahad, is a very open-minded man, is a man of good intentions and quite an educated person.
But if if an Ahmadi goes there and
if somebody reports about him to the Department of Religion, and unfortunately for him, if there is a narrow-minded, bigoted mullah who looks after that complaint, investigates that complaint, then he may have had it. There is a possibility of his suffering. Sometimes he is put behind the bar, sometimes he is told to quit immediately and so on.
Does it happen that the people who let them go through to do pilgrimage, do they first ask you if you are a normal?
Normally they don't. This is what I'm telling you. In other countries they don't. In Pakistan they do. In other countries they don't, because if they ask an Ahmadi who he is, naturally he would tell them he is an Ahmadi. And there is no such performer which he has to fill. This is not the routine. But in Pakistan, naturally you have to fill a form declaring your religion and everything. Are you thinking of going to Hajj?
No.
No? So, in Punjabi we say, "Jere pind nahi jana, uda raah ki puchna." The village to which you are not going, why are you asking about the way which leads to that village? Please sit down. And wasting Mr. Rashid's time. No, but you have already come to an agreement, haven't you?
He asked me before, he was asking question, I agreed to it.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
You gave up your right?
Yeah, I'll ask tomorrow if you don't mind.
Okay. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.